this is Sam here from the Magic with Gadgets podcast, and today we are talking everything turkey and the free Christmas dinner that you have a chance to win through Magic with Gadgets. I'm just doing the numbers in my head. It's actually 3 weeks today until Christmas. Can you believe that? And what I wanted to do, I did this, I'm not sure how many years ago. If you've been a subscriber for quite a long time, maybe you remember it. Maybe 4 years ago now, I did it where I did what I call the 12 days of Christmas. And between the 1st and the 12th of December, I shared a brand new, different Christmas recipe for you to follow along at home. Well, I thought it's about time I revived this tradition because it was such great fun doing it. So I decided to come back and do it again this year. So for all of those days, so the 1st all the way through to the 12th of December, I'm sharing a brand new recipe and video. So the recipes will be available inside KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the videos will be on YouTube, across our shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and of course Facebook, so that you can follow them along as they happen. And I wanted to focus on the great foods that we all love for having at Christmas time. So yes, I'm talking turkey. I've got a brilliant twist on roast potatoes that you're just going to love. I've also got the Christmas sides, and you're going to love all the turkey recipes I've got because I've picked up quite a few turkeys from Morrison's. I think I freaked out the staff a bit in there when they saw how many turkeys I bought, but oh dear. So I hope you like your turkey. And we've also got beef and lamb as well. So if you prefer those meats at Christmas, then we've got you covered. And of course, we've got some amazing ones for those with a sweet tooth as well. I mean, my favourite of them all is the fudge. The fudge is absolutely delicious, and it's made with my favourite brand of chocolate, so Terry's Chocolate Orange Fudge. So I'm really excited about that. And we've also recently launched our giveaway. So if you've not heard yet, we are bringing out a brand new cookbook. It is called the Complete Multicooker Cookbook. And it's based around those with different types of kitchen gadgets. So it's brilliant for the multi-cooker user, as in those that have got one gadget that does it all. So yes, you can really get a gadget that does air frying, slow cooking, pressure cooking and steaming and yogurt making all from one machine. But I know many of us have it from different machines, so it's also great if you've just got an air fryer, just got an Instant Pot, just got a slow cooker, and the list goes on. Because let's face it, most households now have a slow cooker and an air fryer, so you know you're all well covered in this book. And it's also got a beautiful photographed recipes by function in the introduction chapter, so that you can quickly see recipes that use pressure cook and air fry, just pressure cook, just slow cook, and so on. So it's just a brilliant all-rounder, and we're so excited to bring it for you. But the reason I'm talking about that today is we have an amazing turkey recipe in it. So it's your chance to win this turkey recipe. Well, I say win, giveaway sounds better, because everybody that pre-orders can have the turkey recipe. There's no competition there. So for example, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/turkey giveaway, you can just submit your details there from entering the giveaway, and then as soon as the 12 days of Christmas are over, we're sending out this turkey recipe to you all. And as well as that, we're offering a competition for one lucky reader or viewer, depending on where you know us from, £250 of Christmas food vouchers. So if you want to shop at Tesco's, Morrison's, Asda, Sainsbury's, Waitrose and such like, or even Iceland, then we will make that happen for you. And we're really looking forward to giving away Christmas dinner for a lucky reader, because Christmas is just such an expensive time of the year, and it would be lovely if one of you didn't have to worry about paying for your Christmas dinner. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy. Simply search Multicooker Sam and Dom, or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books. And do tell me how far along you are with your Christmas planning. Have you gone all savvy and filled up your freezer with make-ahead Christmas side dishes? Or are you just doing something simple in the freezer? Or are you just winging it when it comes to Christmas Eve? One of our readers, I loved it, the fact that he taught me so much about baking, and his surname was actually Baker. I loved it. Well, Mr. Baker introduced me to a great at Christmas, and that was that he used to mass batch a lot of cookie dough, and he loved his chocolate chip cookies, even though he was so skinny, so I don't know where they all went. He must have had a great metabolism, that's all I can say. And he used to batch them for the freezer, and then he'd do a batch for Christmas for him and his family, and then he could still be eating cookies come March time, you know, when Christmas is all done with, he'd still have his yummy chocolate chip cookies. But yeah, that is just a great thing that you can batch for the freezer if you fancy it. Or in the UK, if you love your mince pies, you could batch freeze those as well. It's just totally up to you how you look at Christmas. So don't forget to head over to our YouTube channel, because we've got a new video popping up every day for 12 days to show you about Christmas. And as we're already on day 4, why not head over there and watch the first 4 days? You could just binge them today, couldn't you? As something to watch to get you into Christmas, and so that I can show you how amazing these different kitchen gadgets are for bringing together all your favourite Christmas food. So 3 weeks time till Christmas, what you're going to plan this week and how you're going to get ahead so it can be less stressful for you. Let us know in the comments, and I can't wait to find out about you and your Christmas. Thanks so much for listening, and you can find us on social media. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and of course Instagram. And you know, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, or why not head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/newsletter and join our weekly newsletter, where we go into detail about all our favourite kitchen gadget recipes, tips, tricks and resources. And a ciao for now.